Asimu Nicoz webinji barikumanya Nicoz kandi Omugaiga rangano murumbara yakwatwa polisi nabwanyuma yatwarwa mu Kooti. Yabaire n'abandi bashatu barimu Abubakar Serunjogi, Juma Kwenge hamwe n'ondijo wamanywa nk'Abinamani.
On count 3, attack with theft. Contrary to 25.4.1 and 261 of the Criminal Act, the particulars of offense are that you, Mwesi Junior, Simboko Oscar, Kamagala Deus, Asimu Nicoz, Abubakar Serunjogi, Juma Kwenge, and Binamani Pat. On 30th of August, at Chikoni Junction in Loto Trading Center, stole cash 2,200,000, a laptop, and a bag all valued at 5,600,000, the property of agurize.
Kooti yaahurira Nicoz hamwe n'abataahi be bakateega Katatumba orikugambwa kuba yaabaire agurize sente emotoka ye bagyata ebirahure baamukwata otiireho n'okumutiinisiriza kwonka emishango egyo yoona bagyehakana. Omuhorereza wa gavumenti yagambira Kooti kweyangira abantu abakwemererwa.
Kooti is inclined to grant the application for stringent or appropriate terms against the applicants and their nationalities.
Beitu konkomuramuzi yayanga okushaba kwagumize ngu ekiro kikuru kirakikuhika ngu kandi n'omuhorereza wa gavumenti yabaasa kuheereza enshonga ahabw'enki batashemeye kuba nibemererwa.
We are in a festive season. No reason has been adduced by the state attorney as to why bail should be denied. And for that reason, I hereby grant.
Buri omwe yabaire n'abeema babiri kandi nabo kushashara miliyoni 2 zitariho buruho konka omwe mu beema bamwanga abo butagira byetaago.
Clearly kept guessing his age and could not clearly tell court how old he is. And it is my considered opinion that he cannot comprehend the responsibility that comes with being a surety if he cannot be able to tell court his age.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Harrison Kagule.